Okay, this video is how to replace some window washer setup and not use the original factory. This is a 1992 GMC Vandura. So the Sierras, the G3500, these old, 30-year-old vans. They had, this is the great, it would route up here and then come to the arms, the washer arms, and spray from the arms. Well, what I've done is I got some parts from the Big A and a kit that has a lot of connectors and stuff and the cable, the hoses, but also I bought separate, they call them Jeep or whatever, these heads, like $10 for both of them, and they're adjustable. Right here, there's some parts where you can actually move the spray. So rather than having them on the arms, I'm gonna mount them here. I tested this, it really works pretty well. And the pump was working great, so that's an extra long. I'm gonna trim that hose down, but you have to watch where these arms are gonna move, because as you hit the sprayer, these arms swing back and forth, and if you've got anything in the way as far as a hose, or years later if that hose drops down, so follow some of the old routing, and up underneath there I followed it and use the holders and to keep it away from those arms that they're swinging, because yeah, it may work good for a year or two, but bouncing down the road and all, you don't want your arms to get caught up. But it's going to work good. These spray really high, but I can do the adjustments. So this was just a temporary fit check to see where I'm going to mount them on that grate. Thanks for watching. This is my GMC Vandura. I'm going to making it a camper, conversion camper, putting new seals on it. Boy, that was a job. These seals, they don't look perfect anymore, but boy, are they tight. And there was a lot of lessons learned on that. Thanks for watching.